If your toilet seat is loose or broken, fixing it is way easier than you think, and you do not even need to call a plumber. So, first off, check out the bolts at the back of the seat where it attaches to the bowl. Most of the time, just tightening those screws with a screwdriver or even by hand if they have wing nuts will stop the wobble. If tightening does not cut it because the bolts are stripped or rusty, swap them out for new seat hardware, which you can grab at any hardware store for just a couple of bucks. Sometimes, the holes in the toilet bowl are too big or cracked, so using plastic anchors can give those bolts a better grip and keep everything snug. When you replace the seat, make sure the new one matches your toilet model and size, so it fits right without any hassle. Also, clean around the bolts and hinges before you put on new hardware because grime can make things slippery and cause looseness again. If your seat is cracked or broken, it is better to replace it entirely instead of trying to fix it with glue. Trust me, it will not hold up. Keep a regular check every few months on those bolts because toilets get used a ton, and seats tend to loosen over time. Lastly, if you get a seat with soft close features or extra padding, it might be a good upgrade for comfort and noise reduction. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing a loose toilet seat is ignoring stripped bolts. If those are messed up, just tightening will not help, and you need to replace them with new ones or use anchors for a secure fit. Another common issue is using the wrong size seat for their toilet. If it does not fit perfectly, it will wiggle no matter what, so always measure before buying. The last thing is skipping cleaning around the mounting area before installing new parts. Leftover dirt and grime prevent bolts from tightening properly, so take that extra minute to clean and dry the area. Fix these 3 things, and your toilet seat will stay solid and comfortable for ages. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they are doing, making home repairs or upgrades way less stressful. Plus, if you are a contractor, it helps you get real work from homeowners who need your skills without wasting time chasing leads.